Why didn't I feel sad or anything at all when this couple broke up? I thought I will feel miserable when they finally break up, but I just don't feel anything at all right now. And the only thing I can say is, good for you, Chiwo. Yes, Chiwo, it's about time because damn, Juan's love is so freaking toxic. Before we get started though, I just want to remind our viewers that if you like seeing more yaoi content and would like to support this channel, please don't forget to smash that like button. Also, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. Feel free to message me in my social media at Sealed Fujoshi, which I'll be using to interact with viewers about more yaoi content. If that's something that interests you, feel free to follow me at Sealed Fujoshi. Finally, this episode will contain explicit content and a lot of manhwa spoilers. With that in mind, please proceed with caution. You have been warned. Now, without further ado, let's jump into chapter 51 of Your Wish is My Command. I really hate that Chiwoo's growth came at Jin's expense. But it's so satisfying to finally see Chiwoo stand up for himself. Sad that this is the end of season 2. I feel like Sagold is joking, right? You are not gonna leave us hanging from a cliff, right? But Sagold is leaving us on this big cliffhanger, people, and it's absolutely annoying. And yes, I am bitter, but all I can say is, first, let me release some stress that ring looks really cheap anyways. It's like, you know those rings that you see when you walk in a Claire's? It's that kind of vibe kind of ring. Anyways, you guys know I'm a big Juan shipper. Even though he is so cuckoo in the head, I never liked Jin for Chiwo. But this chapter is so freaking sad. But I kind of feel bad as a terrible... I feel like a terrible human being, by the way, for being sad that Juan and Chiwo are breaking up, and kind of feel bad for Juan, but not really because I also sad for Jin. But I do know that you made the right choice, Chiwo. Breaking Juan's heart after all the things he did to you and your friend. Juan has two choices right now. He will either disappear in Chiwo's life or disappear with his life. Karma is real, Juan. Juan, you have crossed the line. And what about Jin? Even if Jin is made by magic, why the hell did you have to kill him? Chiwo, it's really a good choice. Breaking up is good for you. I like you and you like me, let's break up, now I'm free. That's basically what happened to them in this chapter. I am sad because I've been reading this chapter for 50 chapters now, and I kinda regret reading season 2. Right now, after reading chapter 51, I kinda wish that I just ended or stopped reading this series in the end of season 1 so that I wouldn't have to face this kind of development. Anyway, if Chiwo doesn't use his wish to bring you know who back, which is Jin, I will riot even though I am a Juan shipper. But even though I am a Juan shipper, don't get me wrong, I am glad that they broke up. Being that possessive and even hurting or killing others around you, that's just some effed up shit. For you to belong to them, Juan thinking that Chiwo is some sort of a possession it's just toxic as F. And if anybody's dealing with this, you gotta get out of that relationship ASAP. Hopefully, one learns his lesson though. Literally, ending his boyfriend's friend and being this possessive, I just hope that their breakup won't add more fuel to one's craziness. Though we all know it will because we're gonna get a season 3. Man, I am praying that this breakup will hopefully smack some sense into one, if that makes sense. To the author Sagol, I love your work and I've read all of your work. Please do not put Juan and Chiwoo back together in season 3. Just bring Jin back and let Chiwoo be happy. Please. Thank you. Chip change. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please don't forget to follow my social media to be teased about some of the boys' love that I am interested in. Feel free to leave me a message and converse with me in my Discord channel. I'd love to hear back from you. And please consider supporting the show by donating as little as 99 cents through www.sealfujoshi.xyz. Also, don't forget to support the author. All the manhwa details can be found in the description below. Again, thank you so much and hope to see you next time.